Hey everybody, Half Chef will travel. Quick cuts on prepping a butternut squash. First thing you're going to do, cut the stem and the opposite end of the squash off to give you square spots to sit for a little bit more stability. Now the easiest way is to just use a vegetable peeler and get all this peel off, and it's going to take a minute. It's a pain in the butt. It's a little bit on the thick side, so take your time, don't be in a rush. This is what mise en place is for. Now we've separated the bell end with the seeds in it. I'm going to split that and just use a spoon to get all those seeds and the filaments all out of those. Then we're going to cut that seed end and we're just going to give it a rough chop. It's not going to be pretty, so we're going to use this in some ways where it's not going to be seen, because there's no real way to get a pretty cut on this. But we're going to cut this as evenly as possible so that it cooks properly. Now the other side, we're going to cut that in half and we're going to square this up and give it a more even, prettier cut so that we can use this in presentation and it'll be pretty. Be careful here. Butternut squash can be a little slick. It's definitely a tougher squash to cut. As you can see, I'm using quite a bit of pressure on that knife, and it's a pretty sharp knife. And here's a reverse angle. And of course, these end pieces that I cut off, we will use those. We'll just give those another rough chop, keep them kind of as even as the other stuff that we had. And again, we're going to use that in a less visible manner. And this is a great camera angle to show you that pinch grip that I hold on the blade. My first finger and thumb are actually holding the base of the blade while my other three fingers are wrapped around the handle. Gives you a lot more control, especially on these tougher to cut vegetables and things. And that's pretty much it. We've got a nice even cut. We're going to use these in another dish. So that's it. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys.